Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called pallet jack. A pallet jack, also known as a pallet truck, pallet pump, pallet hand truck, scooter, dog, or jigger, is a tool used to lift and move pallets. Pallet jacks are most basic form of a forklift and are intended to move the pallet within the warehouse. The jack is steered by a tiller like lever that also acts as a pump handle for raising the jack. A small handle on the tiller releases the hydraulic fluid, causing the fork to lower. The front wheels inside the end of the forks are mounted on levers attached to the linkages that go to the lever attached to the jack cylinder. As the hydraulic jack at the tiller end is raised, the link forces the wheels down, raising the forks vertically above the front wheel, raising the load upward until it clears the floor. The pallet is only lifted enough to clear the floor for subsequent travel. Oftentimes, pallet jacks are used to move and organize pallets inside a trailer, especially when there is no forklift truck access or availability. A jack typically has steering wheel in the front, while each fork usually has either a single wheel or two bogie wheels. Manual pallet jack is a hand-powered jack, most commonly seen in retail and personal warehousing operation. They are used predominantly for lifting, lowering, and steering pallets from one place to another place. Powered pallet jack, also known as electric pallet trucks, walkies, single or double pallet jacks, or power jack, are motorized to allow lifting and moving of heavier and stacked pallets. Some contain a platform for the user to stand while moving the pallets. The powered pallet jack is generally moved by a throttle on the handle to move forward or in a reverse, and steered by swinging the handle in the intended direction. Hope this clarifies. Thanks for watching. Bye.